What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and welcome to this second day of Christmas update of Dogecoin. Obviously, couldn't not do it. Some interesting developments technically have been going around or have been going on at Dogecoin. So I just wanted to cover that. I think it's necessary. I think it's valuable. You can definitely see and feel that the hype around Dogecoin has kind of decreased a little bit. There's nothing wrong with that. That's just normal. I mean, well, if we then briefly talk about the fundamentals, the big catalyst for Dogecoin was of course the whole Twitter acquisition by Elon Musk. Then we had a big drop because of FTX, and then some more bullish momentum. But the only way in which Dogecoin can get bullish momentum is if anything happens regarding Elon Musk, or well, mainly Elon Musk, and maybe if something happens regarding Twitter. But the thing is that a lot or not a lot has happened since, let's say, the 5th of December. So I do want to say that at any point of time that happens, so something like that, some news comes out, some fundamentals, as I usually call them, but I say fundamentals a lot. Anytime that happens, we will get a bullish breakout and we will move up to at least 8.5 cents from where we are right now. However, I cannot predict that. All right, I cannot predict whether Elon Musk is going to tweet something about Dogecoin. I don't have his phone number anymore. So cannot do that. We'll talk about the technicals and given the fundamentals that I know, and that is that Dogecoin's hype is dying down a little bit, which there's nothing wrong with that. That just happens. The price cannot keep staying up when nothing happens. So if we take a look at Dogecoin right now, yesterday we already said we already saw this bearish breakout coming. I mean, what you could see is that really there was just stronger bearish momentum. Here you can see this trend line, but also with the 200 EMA, which was pressing us down. And then you had this, sure, you had some bullish momentum, but we weren't really finding support at our support levels, and we were first breaking through the 28 EMA, which is the blue line, then the 50 EMA, which is the red line, and then we didn't even hold the 100 EMA, which is a very strong support level. Didn't hold that, so a lot of bearish confirmation. So yesterday I already said that it was more likely that we would drop down. I think I said down to like 7.5, 7.4. Drop down a little bit lower towards this towards this key level, kind of in the middle of this bigger key level between 7.5 and 7 cents, which we found support there, strong support, but we got another bearish confirmation. As you can see, we reached up to our previous support level around 7.6 cents. Found resistance there twice, actually. Also took a break retest off of that ascending trend line. So now we're dropping. I mean, what I think is going to happen is that sure, we might find some more support at 7.5 cents, but then it's a matter of time before we break down, find some support at 7.4. Then some support at 7.3, and then eventually, I mean, if nothing happens, as I said, if no new news comes out, I think we will also drop down to 7.17 cents. I mean, there's like one way in which we could prevent something like this, and that is and that is really if we make a higher low right now. So what I expect is that we will find some support at 7.5. and then drop down. What could also happen is that for some reason 7.5 is stronger than I expected it to be, that we will find support there and that we will stay on top of that for the next 2 days. If we can do that, then the higher low is confirmed from this low here at 7.3, and then sure, we could actually move up, but this would probably only happen if the market was relatively bullish, which, I mean, if the market is relatively bullish, then Dogecoin will also not have massive crashes. It's pretty strong in that regard, actually. But so yeah, you should know that 7.5 really is our last hope. I think if that breaks, we're just in a downtrend, and there's a lot of bearish momentum, as you can see, and we'll probably drop down. I do think 7 cents and 7.1 cents will hold, but it's still a drop that we would much rather prevent, right? I think. But yeah, so that's my take on the Dogecoin this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.